have a spring pocket letter swap from Lori to share with you. Everyone, I'm Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. So Lori at PewDiePie Designs and I decided to do a spring pocket letter swap. I love, love, love her pocket letters. Look how cute she packaged this. These are so fun. Little disco balls. And she's got the little tubes. Those are so cute. I love those. Let's see what she sent me. And you're going to have to go check out Lori's channel to see what I sent her. And there was no requirements. We just sent whatever we wanted. Ooh, moisturizing jasmine dragon fruit. Ooh, that smells good. Thank you. And I love pink. Dots. Oh, they made a pair of socks. That is so cute. Love that. Some more disco ball. Ooh, look at this pretty washi tape. Ooh, look at that. It's like old-timey. I love that. And it feels like a cloth tape too. Oh, that is so vintage and cool. Love that. I'm gonna have so much fun. She asked me what I needed. And I was like, I really don't need anything, but I'm like, some washi tape might be fun. Look at these. And she said she's gonna go through her stash. Oh, I love all the black and the gold. I like this one too. Oh, this orange with like the little honeycomb. And then we have a Christmas. Oh, I love that. A light blue with some stars. Those are so fun. I want to add them to maybe my collages. Oh, look, I don't have any of this. Nouveau crystal drops. Add dimension details to craft. She uses this a lot in her crafting. And I think it's like the sparkly. It makes things sparkle, I think. So I'm excited to use this for sure. We have, ooh, some cute with these owls. These are really cute owls. They're like little beads, little charms. So, so cute. Oh, that's why this was in. Look at this cute little crystal tower. I'm going to add this to my collection. I don't remember what kind this is. It's been a while since I studied crystals. I'll have to look that one up. But if you know in the comments, leave it in the comments. Oh, look at these, how cute she made. Or maybe she bought them. Or maybe they were sent to her in another swap. Oh, those are fun. So simple and so cute. And there's 4 of them. Love that. Ooh, some more little charms. Beads. These feel like glass. Those are fun and they're like frosted. And I love the colors with the spring colors. Wow, you really packed this little box. I love that napkin. She knows I love the decoupage. I love napkins. We haven't even gotten to the pocket letter yet. She asked me if I like Disney, and I said yes, I do. Oh, that's just what it is. Like little, what's it, like resin art? These are so cool. And then there's a Minnie Mouse head. Oh, that's really cute too. And it's like black. Oh, this one's a magnet. Are these magnets? No, but I could add a little magnet back to them and use them for the fridge. Those are so cute. Oh, look at this little Easter box. How adorable. I love that. And inside, ooh, is this a pokey tool? And I just love the way it's packaged. It is. Let me move this out the way. Oh, that's so cute. I love pearls and I love sparkly things. And my last pokey tool, I broke the tip on accident. Oh, I love this. So stinking cute. Oh, and look at the pen. That is adorable. That is so cool. I've never seen a charm like that on a pen. Where did you find that at? So very cool, Lori. So stinking cute. Okay, I think now is the pocket letter. Da 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 da. Oh, I love her big lacy tassel here. Oh, look how cute these are. Move the box out. And she didn't fill the back because look all the goodies I have in the box. Oh, I love the colors she chose. So cute. They got the little wooden. Look at that. Oh, that is adorable. And it says happy here. We have spring. Oh, and I love like the little letters she's used for this. And the colors are just gorgeous. I did a more bright, I'm gonna say I went more traditional bright with mine. But I'm loving these muted colors. So stinking cute, Lori. We put everything around. Oh, it's 2 napkins. Yay. Can't wait to use these. I'm gonna have to check that out. Thank you so much for all these fun goodies. And I can't wait to watch your unboxing, Lori, and see how you liked all your spring goodies that I sent to you. Thank you again for everyone for joining. Check out Lori's channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.